Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Java programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about what is collection, types of collection, list interface, ArrayList class and Iterator interface practically. Now, in this video, we will discuss about map interface, hasMap class, set interface, generic collection, and regular expression for mobile number validation using pattern and matcher class practically. So, let's start the session. In this program, we have created a demonstration for Iterator. Now, I am going to give you the demonstration for the map interface. So, map is another collection. It is a interface. It is a kind of collection that you can store the data, you can retrieve the data, you can manipulate the data on the particular map collection. So map is a kind of interface available in the collection in the Java. Map interface, it is used to store the key and value pair. If you want to store your data as per key and value pair, at that time the map collection will be used in your program. So here I am giving you the practical demonstration for the map interface and set interface. Here I am creating a class, say for example class collection demo. So I am copying that class name, I am saving the file over here, paste it .java. So file name is collection demo map.java. So this is what the collection is. We have set list and map interface. We have done a list interface in last program, last video. Now we are focusing on the map and set interface practically. So this map interface is available in the collection framework. The list is also an interface, and that array list that we have created over here in this program, in the previous program, we have created a list. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the map interface now. So here first of all I will write public static void main, and in that main function, see over here, I have created a collection for the array list. So as of now I want to create a collection for a map. Okay, so here what we have done, we have created the collection for the object type. So this is the object type that we have created a collection, and we have stored different type of data in the particular collection, because this collection is a type of object type. So that object type collection can store multiple types of data. So here I am creating a map. To create a map, you have to do the code something like this. Map, here you have to mention the data type for the key and value pair. So here I have given integer as my key and string as my value. Okay. So the map collection is created. Value will stored as a string, and here I am writing m equal to new has map. Here also I have to write integer. So say for example, if you create an object of d equal to new animal, it is something like that. Map m equal to new has map, right? So this is also a concept of the inheritance. We have covered this concept in our previous videos. So here I have created a map for the integer and string. It means that my key will be integer and my value will be string. So this is what we have created, a map collection over here. Map integer string m equal to new has map integer string. So here I am defining that in this collection all the key will be integer and all the value will be string. This is what I have to define over here, because map is working like as a key and value pair. So here I have created an object for the map interface. Now there is a method m.put. So ArrayList has the add method. We have a map. Okay, so map will have a put method over here. So there will be two arguments. The first argument will be integer and second argument will be string. So I am writing 1 comma MCA. I am copying this code, paste it over here. So here I have created a M name as a collection. Okay, so I just need to changing my integer value, and over here I am changing the string value MCA MSCIT Say for example BCA and BSc IT. So these four value I have inserted into my collection. The collection name is M. So these four value I have inserted into my collection. Now you can print this value also. So for example, what if you want to print this inserted value into the console? At that time, I am just opening the CMD first, increasing some font size so you will have the proper visualization of the output. Now I will move to my directory location CD Java. In that Java folder I have the collection folder, and in the collection folder I will compiling the file java c collection demo map.java. As you can see, cannot find symbol map. Okay, so we are using the map interface, but it is not available in our program because we do not have imported the package. So I have to import java.util.star. Okay, so now I have imported the util package. Now I am compiling the file. We are getting another error, cannot find symbol hash map over here. So let me just change over here. Okay, it is compiled now. It means that we have created a collection for the map and we have inserted these four values. Now I am just simply printing the value. Say for example, here we have the iterator method to printing. Okay, so now I am just writing over here system.out.println m over here. So I am saving the file. I am compiling the file. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java collection demo map. As you can see over here, we are getting an output as a map. 1 equal to MCA, 2 equal to MSCIT, 3 equal to BCA, 4 equal to BScIT. So this is the key and value pair we are getting from the collection. So if you want to store your value with key and value pair, at that time the map collection will be used. So please be focused over here and learn these concepts. So here 1 is a key and MCA is a value, 2 is a key and MSCIT is a value. So here we have created a map over here and I have printed the map. You will have the output for the map collection. So now what I am doing is I am converting this map into my set. Now I am writing set s equal to m dot entry set. Entry set is the method it will use to convert your map into the set. I am compiling the file, I am running the file. Now our set is generated. So here we have created a map. Now I am converting this map into the set now. So that entry set is a method is used to convert your map into your set. So set is the functionality that every set has the unique element. See over here also I have created a unique element because every key has the unique value. So now what I am doing is I am using iterator to iterate the set value. Iterator I equal to s dot iterator. S dot iterator is a method it will use to iterate by the loop. So this iterator I is created now. So I is the object of the iterator class. It will use to go through the loop to your collection. So here I am write while I dot has next. So this loop will goes until the last element available into the set. In the while loop I will write system.out.println. Here I will print the value. Say for example I dot next. So variable I is a type of iterator. Okay, so there is a typo error. Now I am compiling again. Compile successfully. Now I am running the file. As you can see over here, we are getting the loop in infinite. This loop is goes into the infinite because this I has the iterator value and we are converting our map into our set. So there is a different ways to perform. So this I is the object of the iterator and we are getting all the hash map over here. So I will write I dot get key over here. So get key is the method it will use to get the key from your map. So now I am saving the file and I am going to compile the file. Collection demo 5 cannot find symbol I dot get key. Okay, so let me change over here. So I is the object of the iterator, and iterator do not have the method name as get key. Okay, so for that you have to generate a map.entry first. So here I will write map.entry me equal to I dot next. So I am taking the next element to my entry set. Now I'm compiling the file. As you can see over here, object cannot be converted to the entry. This error is very important. Incompatible type object cannot be converted to entry. Okay, so here I need to cast these to my map.entry. So I will write over here map.entry. This is what I am doing, type casting. I am doing my set to the map. Okay, so now cannot find symbol I dot get key. Here we have written me over here. Now you can see it is compiled successfully. Now I'm running the file. As you can see, we are getting all the keys into the output. Get key is the method of entry. So here we have created an iterator object. By using that iterator object, I am getting the next value as per the previous program. Over here I am getting the next value, and then I need to cast it to my entry set, because here also we have created an object, but over here I am created the map collection. So for that the entry class is used. This is why I have written map.entry over here. So that value you have to cast it for the map collection. That is why we are getting an error over here, and why we have written map.entry over here. We have typecasted the value, and then I am printing the key value. There is a method also, get value. So get value is the method. It is used to get the value of your map collection. So now I am opening the CMD again, going to the particular directory location CD collection. Now I am compiling the file java c collection demo map.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java collection demo map. As you can see in the output, we are getting the values of the map by using the entry set. These all are the different value. We are getting key and value of the map because we have created that iterator by using a set. So that set value you need to convert it to the map if you want to get the key and value pair. I will write over here, so we will have the proper output. I am removing this line and saving the file, compiling the file, running the file. As you can see in the output, we are getting each and every value with the key pair. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 is our key, MCA MSIT BCA BSIT is our value. So we are getting these key and value by using get key method and get value method of the map collection. So this is what I have given you, the practical demonstration for the map and set interface available in the collection framework in the Java. So now I am just what I am doing is I am just inserting repeated values. Say for example, now my key is 1 2 3 2. As you can see, I have inserted this kind of value. Now I am compiling the file, running the file. As you can see in the output, we are getting 1 2 3 only, because in the set there will be no any duplicate value available in the set. You cannot store the duplicate value in the map and set, because every value has the unique key. Okay, so you cannot store the value with the duplicate key. So here I am just I am just storing some more values, but with the duplicate key. So as we know that this value cannot be stored into the collection. Compiling the file, running the file, as you can see, this duplicate value we are not getting into the output, because the map and set are not allowed to store the duplicate values. If you give the duplicate key, it is not allowed into the map and set collection. So this is what I have given you, the practical demonstration for map and set over here. So map is a interface, set is a interface available in the collection framework in the Java. So I am compiling the file again, collection demo map set.java. Now I am saving the file, collection demo map set dot java. Okay, I am compiling the file java c collection demo map set dot java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java collection demo map set. So as you can see in the output, we are getting proper output, and this is the concept for the map and set interface. You can store the key and value pair, and you cannot store the duplicate value in the map and set. This is what I have given you the practical demonstration about the map and set interface, practically available in the collection interface in the java. Now I am going to give you the practical demonstration for the generic collection. So it is also possible you can create your collection as a generic. I have created a class named as a generic collection.java. Okay, so this class I am creating in the new file class collection generic. So now what I am doing over here is I will write public static void main over here first, and in that I will create a collection for the array list to give you the practical demonstration for the generic collection. So now we are focusing on the generic collection. A class or interface is a generic if it has one or more type variable. Okay, so when we have a class and interface, it has a one and more type variable. The type variable are delimited by angle brackets and follow the class or the interface name. So here these angular brackets, you have to write the generic name of your type. So if you create a generic collection, you have to write over here question mark, like that, question mark extend a data type. So this can be a generic. So this public interface list is a generic extends collection, and T is a template, and template will be a generic template. So that is why I have written capital T over there to give you the proper understanding for the generic type. So this T means a template, and templates can be a generic. That is why we can write object and any data type in the list over here. Okay, so here I am creating a collection, say for example collection for the number type. I am creating an object for the collection number c equal to new array list. So I am creating a collection for the array list. Okay, and then we will convert this collection into generic. As of now, we have created this collection over here for the array list. Now I am also creating a collection for the array list for the generic collection. Now I am compiling the file java c collection generic.java. Cannot find symbol collection. So for that you have to import the package, import java.util.star semicolon. I am saving the file, compiling the file. See over here, we are getting a note. Java uses unchecked or unsafe operation collection generic and recompile with xlint unchecked for the detail. But these two are because we do not have written the type over here. If you write type over here, number, and saving the file, running the file, as you can see over here, we are not getting any note now. So this is the generically we have created a collection for the number type. So this is also called a generic, but I will give you the practical demonstration for how to print the generic type also. Okay, so now I am storing some value in my collection c.add 100, c.add the long value, and c.add double value. And then I will write c.add, say for example 5.50 f. So this is what the float value we have stored into our collection. I have created a collection for the number data type. I am compiling the file. See, you can see over here it is compiled successfully. Now what I am doing is I am creating a method to print the value. I am writing public static void. Okay, I will write over here public static void print method. I am creating a print method, print collection method, and in this parameter of the print collection you have to write, because we will pass that collection to this print collection method. Okay, so if you throw your collection from the main method, you have to catch over here. Say for example I will write collection. It is a generic collection, so I will write angular brackets over here, and I will write question mark extends number. So this question mark is used to say that this collection is a generic collection. So this is most important line what I have written over here on line number 4. Collection in the angular bracket question mark extends number and object of the collection as a C. So this number we need to tell to the Java that collection we are sending from the main method, it will be catched by the C, but the C is a collection for the number, and this collection is extending the number type. And the question mark is also used to tell that this is a generic collection. So this C is the collection of number. Okay, so that is why you have to write the question mark extends number over there. Now I am copying this line and paste it over here, or I can write the for loop also. For object O colon C, here I have written for each loop for the collection. Here I will print the value. C is the collection, and one by one value we are getting into the O, and then we will print the value. Say for example, system.out.println. I will write O over here. Okay. Now I am saving the file, and what we need to do is we need to call the print collection method from the main method. So I will write this collection generic over here. Dot print collection method. I am calling a method using dot operator print collection, and in that parameter we need to pass the collection. So we have the collection name as a C. Okay, so here I will write C over here. So this collection will pass to the method in the C. Though C is a collection, it is a generic collection extending a number, and then we are looping each value one by one, and then we are printing the value. So this is what generic collection. I have given you the demonstration for the generic collection. Here I am writing a sum method. Say for example, integer sum. There are two parameters, integer a comma integer b. So as like this method, there is a two parameter, integer a and integer b. So here you have to mention your data type, but for now it is a generic collection. Okay, so this number can be any type of number. This is why we are using the generic collection. So I am just removing this line and saving the file. We have called the method. I am compiling the file java c collection generic dot java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java collection generic. So as you can see in the output, we are getting all the elements of the collection into the console, and we do not have given any data type to our collection, right? Because collection is a generic, we have created a collection for the number type, and then we have printed the collection by using generically question mark extends number is most important line to understand in this program. So this is what I have given you the practical demonstration for the generic collection. So collection with any type, it's called a generic collection. This is, you can write the number over here also. It means that this collection is available for the number type only. But if you write like this, it is a type of generic collection. Okay, your collection is extending to the number, and then all the values are getting into the collection. Now we will discuss about the regular expression with using the pattern matcher. Okay, so regular expression is a special sequence of characters that help you to match or find other searching or set to string using specialized syntax held in the pattern. So there is a two class available for regular expression, pattern matcher. They can be used to search, edit or manipulate text and data. So if you want to search the data, edit the data, manipulate the data, the pattern matcher class of the regular expression is used very most. So there is a package java.util.regex. This package is available for the regular expression, and in this package we have the two class, pattern class and matcher class. So there is a pattern class, and this is the method of the pattern class, and there is a matcher class also. So pattern class is used to compile your expression. It is a pattern object is a compiled representation of the expression. The pattern class provide no public constructor. There is no any public constructor available into the pattern class. To create a pattern, you must first invoke its public static compile method, which will then return a pattern object. So this compile method is very important for the pattern class. Here you need to provide your pattern, which pattern you want to generate. This method accepts a regular expression as the first argument. So in that first argument, here you need to pass your regular expression. That regular expression you want to create, you need to pass, and it is available into the java.util.regex package. So this is what the pattern class is, and there are three methods: compile method, split method, and a matcher class is also available to find out is the value is matching or not. So here is the pattern. You need to pass the regular expression over here. This is just a simple syntax. The matcher class, a matcher object is the engine that interprets the pattern and perform match operation against an input string. So if you are getting the value from user, you can match this value with your compiled pattern. So it interprets the pattern that we have created using the pattern class and the compile method. It will use to match with your pattern and perform match operation against the input. Like the pattern class, matcher defines no public constructor. There is no public constructor available for the matcher class also. You obtain a matcher object by invoking a matcher method on a pattern object. So here you can write matcher m equal to p dot matcher. So p is the object of the pattern class. By using that object, you can match the string. There is a for method: matches, find, start, and group. And here you have to write the matching string. So that matching string you have to write over here, and that pattern of the regular expression should be matched over here. So by using that pattern matcher class, you can provide the validation to your program. Plus operator is used to define one or more. Star operator is used to define 0 or more. Dot operator is used to define exactly one time. And question mark operator is used to define 0 or 1. These four operators are available for the regular expression. And these square bracket and curly brackets are also operator available for the regular expression. Now I am going to give you the practical demonstration for the regular expression to validate the mobile number. So I am creating a class regular expression demo1. So I am saving the file regular expression demo1.java. Here I will write public static void main, and in the main method, what first I am importing the file. So here we have imported the regex class in our program. So this pattern p equal to new compile is used to define the regular expression. So here you need to write your regular expression. Say for example, here I am writing in the square bracket, I will write, so the square bracket means of exact value you want to match. I will write 0-9. So 0-9 means any value between 0 to 9. Okay, here I am creating a regular expression over here. So 0-9, it is written into the square bracket. It means that this expression is available for any value between 0 to 9. So this square bracket is used to identify the value. Here we have provided the value 0-9 means any value between 0 and 9. Here I am creating a matcher object, matcher m equal to p dot matcher, and in that method I will provide parameter as a argument. So we will get the value from the user by the command line, and here I will write the value. Say for example, system.out.println m.matches. Okay, so this matches method is also available if the value is matches with our regular expression or not. So here we have created a regular expression by using the pattern matcher class. Here I will write argument of 0, means a first value from the command line argument. So this is a pattern matcher class we have used for the validation for the mobile number, because in the mobile number there will be only the numbers. There should not be any a character. So I am compiling the file, cannot find symbol regex. So I have to write regex dot star over here. I am saving the file, compiling again. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java regular expression demo1 and with the value. So here I am providing the input, say for example 5. So we are getting a true as a value because the value is matching with our regular expression. But what if I will provide 15 over here? So 15, for the 15 it is providing me the false over here in the output because this regular expression is only accepting the value between 0 to 9 and the matcher method is used to match the value to our generated pattern, and matches method is used to get the true and false value. If the value is matches with our pattern, it will provide us the true. Otherwise, it will provide the false as an out. So if we give the input 20, we are getting a false. Okay, if you provide the input as 0, we are getting true. If we provide input 9, we are getting true. If we provide input 10, we are getting false. So you can write over here, this is 0 dash 9 in the curly bracket. You can provide the number of digit over here. So curly bracket means the number of digits. So here we have provided the numbers between 0 to 9 and there should be 10 digit. Okay, so here I am compiling the file again. I am running the file with values, say for example 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is giving us the false value. But what if 7 8 9 0? So this is what we have getting the true value into the output because we have entered the value between 0 to 9 and we have provided 10 digits. Okay, so this regular expression is used to validate the mobile number if the 10 digit is there in the input or not. So that 0 to 9 means any value between 0 to 9 and 10 means total 10 digit is required to match this pattern. Here you can write 5. Okay, so there should be 5 number, there should be 5 digit inputted by the user. So now I am compiling the file, running the file with the value, say for example 1 2 3 4 5. Now you can write 7 to 9 over here also. So the input value should be between 7 to 9 and there should be 5 numbers. This is a type of regex we have created. Now I am running the file again with the value 789 false, with the value 78978. It is true now because we have provided the 5 digit in between 7 and 9. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about regular expression using pattern matcher class, username validation, password validation, and variable length of argument practically. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.